Hi guys, welcome to a video where we'll talk about npm start. As developers, we have used this command quite a lot on a daily basis, and today we'll understand what really happens when we type npm start. So npm start is just a shortcut for npm run start, and what happens is npm searches for the package.json file, package.json file, yeah, for the package.json file, and it checks the start command in the script section, and we have npm start. So what really happens is basically npm runs the react script start command, and react script is basically everything. It does all the work. It runs the bundle, configures the file and everything. What this command The first thing this command does is, for example, I have opened the node modules of React scripts, and the first thing it does is it sets the environment to development, which helps in faster hot reloads and helping in our development process. The second thing it does is setting in our environment variables. For example, all the .env file, .env.local file, .env.development files, everything, it helps in setting up that. Then is the webpack.config file. So this webpack.config file helps us in setting, or tells us what the .js file will do, .jsx file will do, .css file will do, and help in people transformations. The third thing that React Script does is starting our web server, our Webpack development server. So it is just a lightweight server which works in the memory, and everything happens in the RAM, and nothing adds to the disk files. Please remember that. And after that, it launches the browser in our localhost 3000. 3000 is an optional port. You can change the port if you want to. And yeah, after the webpack is run and bundled, we can use the hot reloads or error overlay, which error overlay is used with another package, React error overlay. And yeah, so this is what happens everything when we write the command npm start. Hope this helps, and if you want an in-depth of all of this, please let me know. Thank you.